we're going to make pork sisig in the Instant Pot. First, we'll start by prepping all of our ingredients. So we're going to start by cutting the meat first, which is, this is pork belly, and this are pig ears. It's 2 pounds of pig ears, they're pretty big. I've never cooked with them before, so this will be a first. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to cut these, but I think I'll leave them intact. Okay. First, we'll cut the pork belly into 1/2-inch strips. Okay, it's a sharp knife. Someone has a tattoo. 1360. I'm having a hard time here. It's not because I'm weak, it's the pork belly is still a little frozen. I'm not weak. Okay. I did it. They're cut. Ta-da. Okay. Now we have some onions to chop. 1 medium onion. I already pre-chopped it and peeled it. And today I'm going to use my handy dandy Pampered Chef food chopper. Makes food preparation easy. Let's see. Ta-da! Oh, it needs a little bit more. That looks good. So, no crying too, see? No tears. Ta-da! That's good. I like that. Good job, Neen. Okay. Now we're going to chop 5 cloves of garlic. Oh, I'm sorry, 6.
Because it's us.
Because we like extra garlic.
Is that the recipe? 6?
5.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to use our handy dandy food chopper again. Ooh, that's good. All right, ta-da! Let's take out the rest of them. Next we have green and red chilies that we're going to add to our sisig. We like it spicy and it adds some fun colors. I'm going to slice these. That's spicy. I can smell it. Actually, these are called siling labuyo in Tagalog. These are red Thai chilies that we bought. Everything in it, seeds included.
Oh.
That'd be a spicy dish.
I can smell that from here.
Okay, I think I'm going to cut the green chilies a little smaller. They're pretty big. I guess if you like it more spicy, you can even add jalapeno. Or 2 green chilies if you want. Won't be able to eat it because it's so spicy.
It'll look pretty.
Okay. Now it's time to pressure cook the pork belly and the pork ears. Okay. First we're going to add 1 cup of water. Okay. Then we're going to add the meat. I think I'm going to add the ears first. They're so big. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but it's 1 pound of pig ear and then 2 pounds of pork belly. It's going in. Pig 1360 going in the pressure cooker. And now we will put the lid on this way. Sure it's sealed. Turn the valve to seal. Now we're going to set the Instant Pot to manual for 20 minutes, and then we're going to natural release for 5 minutes. We'll be back soon. In the meantime, while we're waiting for the pork, we're going to saute our 6 cloves of garlic. Okay, I'm going to add some oil. It's maybe a tablespoon of oil. It's not hot yet. We'll wait a little bit. We're going to saute the garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes. And we're going to be using this later in our sisig mixture. Ooh. Huh? No. No, we're not going to talk about that. Should I talk about it? I'm not going to talk about it.
It's not in the recipe? Not
It
in our
is,
recipe.
not in our recipe.
Okay. Shouldn't take long, huh?
No. That looks good. Okay. And I think this is good. I'm going to turn off the heat and we're going to set the garlic aside. We're going to use it later. The pork is done cooking. We're going to release the rest of the pressure. It's going to be a few seconds, a minute. Ooh, I heard it. It's good. Okay, now we're going to take out the pork. Ooh, that's hot. It's hot. Ooh, that looks good. I'm going to take out the pork belly and the pork ears and put them in our cooking pan. Okay. Oh, ta-da, I did it! They all fit. We're going to broil these to your desired crispiness, flipping every 3 to 4 minutes. Flipping.
Flippy.
It's time to put the pork belly and the pork ears in the oven to broil for 4 minutes. And then we're going to flip them. Okay, so it has been 4 minutes and we're going to take out the pork and flip them. All right. Now that we've flipped the pork, we're going to put it back in the oven for another 4 minutes. And we're going to keep doing this until the desired crispiness has been reached. The pork belly is nice and crispy. I think we flipped it about 4 or 5 times until it got to our desired crispiness. So it depends. It may depend on your oven too, how strong your broiler is. So it could be either more or less time. Okay, now we're going to chop the pork. I'm going to start with the ears. Ooh. I've never cooked pork ears before. This is my first time. Looks good. And you're going to cut it to your desired size. Some people like it's really small, like chopped, or medium, however you like it. So the pig ears are chopped. Now it's time for the pork belly. You chop the pork belly. I'm going to start here. Yeah, I lost the other glove. I can't feel anything with that. Ta-da! They're all chopped up and we're going to combine them in the bowl with the other ingredients. We're going to start with calamansi. This is 10 teaspoons of calamansi juice. Let's pour it in. And this is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce. Add that. Salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons pepper. Ooh, and our garlic that we fried earlier. That. The red onion. And we're going to mix this until combined. Ooh, it looks good. Yum. Smells good too. So now we're going to fry 2 cups of the sisig that we mixed earlier, because this is 1 serving. You can use the other one for another time, or you can cook all of it at the same time if you have a big crowd eating with you. I'm going to set the temperature to medium, and we're going to start frying as soon as the cast iron is hot. So the pot feels hot to touch, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, I'm using the same pan that we fried the garlic in. It still has a little bit of olive oil, which helps with the butter not burning. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. I'm going to let the butter melt before we add our sisig. Whee!
Melting butter is one of the most enjoyable experiences in the kitchen. I love doing it.
Okay.
And that's that seafood is really good. That's what makes the seafood so good.
It's the butter, yes. Not the seafood itself. Okay. I think it's ready. We're going to add the sisig, which is 2 cups of sisig. And remember the chilies from earlier? We're going to add these now. We're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Like that. Season. Good. Let's turn up the heat a little more so I can get super crispy. I don't remember what the time was.
And it's good for when you want to eat it. You cook it longer or it's hard to cook. Just heat it up.
Yeah, I like it crispy.
Yeah, exactly. You don't take it out until you think it's ready to eat.
Oh, that's gonna be really good. I'm adding butter to the skillet so it can sizzle. Watch. And here is the finished product. Our sisig, our pork sisig. We added a sunny side egg on top of the sisig. You don't have to add that, but you know, it looks good and it'll taste good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you want to try this recipe yourself, the recipe will be in the description box. Please join us again next Sunday for another cooking video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat at paalam. Are you doing it up here too? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. You'll forward this, right?
Tough. I want to fast forward blood spurts.
That's good. I like that. Good job, Nene. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Make sure struggle. Actually, I don't like saying that. Well, the 5 cloves of garlic. That's not even right. Rotating. No. That's better. I like that. I like to say that. More or less time. Suppose I can just also go like hack away at it. There's like sisig. And if you want to try this thank you, Pig1360.